Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you A to Z of how to make coconut oil. The first step towards achieving your success as regards to making your coconut oil is to get a well-matured coconut. With that, it will be able to extract more oil, giving you result oriented. Here I've arrived my home trying to bring out the coconut from the bag. You can see it's going to be a whole day job. Please stay tuned so you watch this video till the end. Everything in regards to coconut is beneficial to man, starting from the water inside, the shell, the flesh, the milk, everything, name it. After harvesting as much water as possible, I had to crack all the coconuts. This is what we have. We are done breaking all the coconuts. The next step is to remove them from the shell. Please be careful not to cut yourself because the shell can be very sharp and it can cut through your skin, it can pierce your skin. Next step is to cut them into tiny parts. Take them to the industrial machine. But before then, you're going to wash it thoroughly because if you want to use the oil for cooking, if you want to get milk for your cooking, you're going to wash it very well. Now we are done blending and we are using our small sieve to sieve. If you have cheesecloth, feel free to use your cheesecloth as well. Now we are done sieving. We'll set all our milk aside for a day for fermentation to take place. What gives your coconut that distinct peculiar aroma is the fermentation that took place. Please allow your coconut milk or curd to ferment. This is the water. After taking out of the curd, we are not going to be using the water. The water is not useful. We will be discarding it. On a medium heat, I'll be setting the pot. Remember, in the pot we'll have our curd. I'll be setting my fire on a medium heat, checking constantly to make sure they don't spill. Please be careful of the splash. The splash can be very hurtful when it comes in contact with your skin. 2 hours later, this is what we'll have. The liquid has dried off and at this point our curd is beginning to bring out oil. If you watch closely, you will see the oil. And now I've transferred the other curd into one pot so that they can continue cooking in one pot. Did you see how pure that oil is? If you don't look closely, you will not be able to see it on that spoon. That is to tell you we'll have a beautiful oil there. So this is the remaining curd. I'll be transferring it into another pot to cook. And at this point, our curd is almost dried. You can see, guys, look at that oil. There are different methods of making coconut oil. I think it is very good to make your coconut oil. It will not cost you a thing. Just sit back and watch this method rather than buying store-bought. But if you're sure you're going to be getting the original one, then feel free. So this is what we'll have after using our sieve. I'm going to be sieving for the last final time to make sure that we'll have the finest of oil. If today is the first time you're coming across my video, please, I beg, do me well to share, follow and also comment. If you have any observation, please, I'm open to correction. I'm open to further learning. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I beg you, kindly subscribe. So right now we'll be transferring our oil into our bottles. Pardon